Assalamu alaikum friends. Friends, in my writing, in today's video, I'm gonna share with you what is digital marketing and what is the dream, how many people using social media in the world. So friends, at first, I'm describing about what is digital marketing. Digital marketing refers to the advertising of product or service on online. It could be search engine marketing, search engine optimization, social media, and could be email marketing. On the other hand, social media promoting products, though electronic media such as TV, radio, etc. It's an online platform to grow your business though all over the world. Suppose you want to sell your product, now you will put an advertising to promote it. So this is also part of digital marketing. Modern era, never think without digital marketing, because very single established company depend on social media service, which is the part of marketing. Digital marketing step, there are many steps to digital marketing, which is applying digital marketers earn money on different platforms. Let's know some most important steps. SEM or search engine marketing, SEO or search engine optimization, social media marketing or SMM, affiliate marketing, email marketing, CPA marketing, e-commerce, product marketing. These are the most important social media platforms to advertising online products. Why is digital marketing so important? Let's talk about this. Digital marketing is an essential part of present because people now know about the product before buying any product and then buy it. On the other hand, people buying their product without having to go the store. So if you are a businessman, then you should reach to people they are digital marketers. Let's know the requirement of the digital marketing in the present. You will surprise that worldwide more than 2 billion people using social media, and day by day it's increasingly. Now you already know the importance of digital marketing. About 74% people using social media. So the last tip I'm gonna share with you what is the dream and what is the future of digital marketing. Do you believe that in future world 100% people will depend on online? When they need a single product, they will advertising on social media and they get it instant and suddenly. So friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channels and stay connected with me. Thank you very much watching this video. Thank you.